what amount of force is considered necessary? And do you have an excessive force case that will hold up in court? If you file a lawsuit against the NYPD, it will be judged by what we call the reasonable police officer standard. That means the defendant officer's conduct will be judged against what a reasonably prudent officer would use under the same or similar circumstances. Some of the things the jury will consider includes how serious of a crime it is alleged that you had committed, whether or not you posed a threat to the officer, the extent of your injuries, and whether or not you were resisting arrest. So if the police officer broke your arm while arresting you, this may or may not be excessive force depending on the circumstances. For example, if you were suspected of committing an armed robbery and your arm was broken during a pursuit and tackle, that might not be considered excessive force. On the other hand, if you were pulled over during a routine traffic stop and your wrist was broken because of the police violently yanked you out of the car and then threw you to the ground, that likely would be considered excessive force.